Hi, everyone. My name is Dev Albarelli, and I'm a librarian here at NCC. Today, we are going to learn how to cite short quotations in APA format. We will focus on correctly formatting short quotations and citing within the text of our research papers. Now, let's get into some ways to cite quotations in APA format. Short quotations in APA format. APA uses quotations around the sentence and the author, date, page number citation format for short quotations within the text of the paper. Note that this is a slight change from paraphrasing, where only the author date in text citation is required. Now, let's take a look at some examples. Example with page numbers, author, date, page number. Our first example is a quotation from a book that has all the required information for an APA citation. We put quotations around our sentence. Those who cannot see must rely upon what has gone before, followed by our in-text citation, which starts with a parentheses, then author, comma, date, comma, page numbers, close parentheses, then the period. Parentheses, McCarthy, comma, 1998, comma, page 10, close parentheses, period. Now, let's move on to sources that don't include page numbers. Online sources such as websites and web pages often do not include page numbers. When directly quoting from a source without page numbers, such as a website or web page, you may provide a paragraph number by counting paragraphs manually. Author, date, paragraph number. Let's take a look at our example. Once again, we put quotations around the sentence. Pittsburgh Steelers are in for a great year if one publication's prediction is accurate. This is followed by our in-text citation, which begins with a parentheses, then author, comma, date, comma, paragraph number, close parentheses, then the period. Parentheses, Strackbean, comma, 2023, comma, paragraph number 1, close parentheses, then the period. And that will be our last example in this short quotation video. And that concludes our APA short quotations tutorial. Please feel free to reach out to the NCC librarians anytime. We are available at the Bethlehem and Monroe campuses, as well as online through chat and email. Thank you and have a nice day.